SAP and their partners were excited to launch the first coding workshops in 2017, and now we are so honored to see how much Meet and Code has evolved into this very solid continental movement that continues to impact the lives of thousands of children.
In Europe, there are many disadvantaged young people, which is expressed among other things through a youth unemployment rate of 15%. Therefore, we are proud that thanks to the brilliant work of hundreds of NGOs, we've been able to support more than 32,000 youth through Meet and Code.
The fact that 27% of Meet and Code workshop participants had a refugee background really stood out for me this year, as it shows that we are able to improve digital skills of those who are usually underserved and underrepresented.
For 2022, I would give a special shout out to our Ukrainian partner GURD for providing this opportunity to over 3,000 Ukrainian youth despite the ongoing war.
The Amazon Future Engineer program supports equity in computer science education in Europe. Through our support of Meet and Code, we want to help kids from underserved and underrepresented backgrounds to make their first experiences in coding, programming, and making.
Thank you, Meet and Code!